wabarakatuh.
My name is Andi Nur Fitra Jafar, asking.
My name is Siti Olesijaya as a fortune teller.
My name is Andinahda Nur Aulia as fortune teller.
My name is Sarifa as fortune teller.
My name is Nurul Ilmi as people too.
My name is Nadia Azima as to dry princess. My name is Nurdikmat Ilahi as people 3. My name is Aulia Maharani as people 1.
My name is Muhammad Aksan Azim as Gua.
In ancient times, precisely in the South Sumatra region, there was Putri Kemarau. The doctor's real name is Putri Jelitani. She is called Putri Kemarau because she was born in the dry season. Unfortunately, her mother had died, so she became the only daughter of the king. The king was a wise king. The country he led was so peaceful and prosperous. However, at one time, the country was hit by a very long dry season.
How is it? Have you observed the condition of the village these past few months? Yes, this village looks so sad. There are many people who complain about this dry season. They lack water. Don't you think we should just go to the king so that he handles this matter?
I agree, let's go to the place.
On the way, they met other people. The people joined to the palace to meet the king.
Where are you going? We want to meet the king in order to overcome this drought problem. Do you want to come along? Yes, I'm coming. My rice fields are also dry in this dry season.
What is the matter that made you come here?
Sorry for coming, Your Majesty. Our intention here is to ask Your Majesty to overcome the problems that are currently afflicting this country.
Actually, I am also thinking about this dry matter this afternoon. I have invited that fortune teller together at the place with the aim of finding a solution to this problem.
Okay, King, we will wait for good news from Your Majesty. Can we accept ourselves?
I'm sorry, sir. What the hell did your majesty tell you here?
I invite you with the aim of finding a solution to the current rock problem.
1,000 sorry, sir. We cannot find a solution to this problem.
Then we can solve this problem.
Sorry for the limitation of our finance, Your Majesty.
Alright, you can go back.
Then we say and goodbye.
I feel so guilty to my people. I was unable to cope with their suffering.
Goodness, I have heard news about a very powerful fortune teller. The fortune teller was in a village far from this kingdom and very remote.
Really, I hope he can give me a solution immediately prepare the car. I am going to that village.
Good, sir.
Father will meet a fortune teller who is in village far from the kingdom. Father absence, I entrusted the kingdom to you.
All right, Dad, I will obey Father order.
It is a honor for me. Your Majesty has come all the way to my heart. Come in, please. Sorry, just a simple resident.
Sorry to interrupt your time.
Presumably, what made you Majesty come here?
Honor fortune teller, my country is in the middle of the dry season. My people are struggling with and I have no way out. Please, do you have any way to fix it?
Sir, there is a clue that will bring the matter out of your Majesty's country. The clue will soon appear through the princess' dream.
Alright, Mr. Fortune Teller, I will ask my doctor. Thank you for helping me. Oh my girl, father has met the fortune teller that father all me to the other day. He say the clothes.
Sorry that I haven't that dream yet. However, it would be better if we just leave this drug problem to good.
Your words are true, my doctor. I'm sorry that already know what I shall do.
Oh my doctor, what this country is experiencing will soon end. If there is a girl who is willing to sacrifice and want to throw herself into the sea. Princess immediately woke up from her sleep. The king also entered Putri Kemarau's room to calm her down.
What is it, my doctor?
Dad, I had a dream. In the dream, I met my mother. The mother said that the difficulties that this country will experience will soon end if there was Al-Hadid who was willing to scrap and willing to throw himself into the sea.
If that is so, let's make an announcement to the people about this. Father will also hold a competition to find a girl who is willing to sacrifice for this kingdom.
The next day, the king kept his word. The king gathered his people and asked who would sacrifice according to the dream his daughter had.
People, are any of you willing to volunteer to carry out the medley?
Sorry, Father, I'm willing to sacrifice myself for the prosperity of all the people in this country.
Not my girl, you are the only family I have. You will also continue to lead this kingdom.
No, Father, I shall be a victim for the sake of the people. Maybe this is my destiny.
Alright, my doctor, if that is your determination, then tonight we will head to the seashore.
Yes, Father, please forgive my departure and ask to forgive my mistakes.
Right, my people, let's go back to our respective homes.
Go to the seaside and meet your doctor.
Oh, my people, let's go to see again. There was a voice telling me that I had. Thanks, good, you saved my doctor.
The king was overjoyed, and the group returned to the palace. The problem was resolved, and a few years later, Putri Kemarau became queen to replace her father. He ruled wisely so that his people could live in peace and prosperity.